Today we're going to do some herringbone wire wrapping. You can either make it as a pendant for a necklace or as a pair of earrings. So first of all, what we would need is some 24 gauge wire. It's quite a thin wire. Also, you'll need beads of your choice. I'm using 8mm size bead. You can use smaller or bigger. You'll also need a ruler to measure your wire. And for the tools, you'll need round nose pliers, cutters to cut the wire. Then I always have my flat nose pliers and my chain nose pliers out. If you're going to make it into earrings, you're going to need 2 earring hooks. Make it into a necklace, then you need jewellery making chain. Just cut it with the flush cutters at your choice. And then also you'll need is a lobster clasp, 2 smaller jump rings, and 1 larger one. Next thing is to do is to roll out your wire, get your ruler and cut it to 36 centimetres. My ruler only goes up to 30, so I have to measure 30 and then go from where my finger is and another 36. So it's about 36. So we're going to keep my finger there and get out my cutters and cut it using the flat end of my flush cutters. Now this wire's a bit bent, so I'm just going to straighten it out. So now we've got the wire all nice and straightened out, we're going to measure about 7 centimetres. Get the rule again, 7 centimetres, because we're going to make a nice curl. Now, pick up your round nose pliers. Right, if you're going to make like a pair of matching earring or matching pendants, make sure you use the same size to make a curl. So where that bit of Tipex is, if you can see it, yeah, I'm going to make a curl. So I've measured in 7 centimetres. I've gone in where that mark is. So I'm going to make a loop by bringing it over like that, and then pick up my flat nose pliers, and I'm going to start to wrap the wire around itself. So we've got a loop there. You can see me loop. Yeah, me loop there. We're going to make some coils. So using the short end, I'm going to just wrap the wire around. I don't know if you can see it. You should have a loop up there, and then this bit of wire here, you're going to wrap it around the long length of the wire. I think I'll hold it with my flat nose pliers and turn it round because I'm right-handed. I'm going to turn it round, hold it like that, and we're going to start to wrap the wire. Can be a bit flimsy, but it's going to take it and wrap it around, keeping the coils close to each other. I want to wrap about, I think about 8 to 10 times. We'll see. I've done 3 so far. So keep wrapping it round, keeping the coils next to each other. So now keep a grip on the loop and start wrapping it round, keeping the coils next to each other and tightly around. Well, not too tight, but we'll want to wrap it about 10 times. Sometimes when you keep wrapping, it gets a bit more wonky. Just use me pliers to keep pulling it round. So keep wrapping it round. And pick up my chain nose pliers and keep wrapping it. Sometimes I take me pliers and just wrap it round. So let's give that a bend. And sometimes the loop is going to go a bit wonky. So I'll pick up my round nose pliers, go in and try and get a bit of straighten. So it should look like round at the top, like a bulb. And if these coils get a bit separated, then you just pick up your chain nose pliers and just bring it in a bit if you can. You could see, you could just bring it in a bit. So now, if you like how it looks, now it's time to cut off this tail. Now, when you cut off this tail, this piece might fly. So pick up your flush cutters, go near and put your finger over so that piece doesn't fly out. And then pick up your chain nose pliers. So bring it in and close it. You can always just pinch this bit in. It should look like this, like a light bulb really, round at the top and a row of about 10 coils going down the length of the wire. So then go to the other side of the wire, pick up your, well, I'm using 8mm, but you know what I find that a bigger bead works better from 8mm onward. I've tried it with a smaller bead, but it seemed to go better with this size bead. So slide it on till you're at the end. So it should look like this. That you've got the round bit at the top and the row of coils going downwards. So the next thing we're going to do is bring the wire, this long piece of wire, we're going to bring it upwards. So bring this wire upwards like that, round the front, and the front, bend it down like that, go across the other side of the bead. So once you go on the other side of the bead, bring it down again, go round. You have to hold to the side, go round and bring the wire up again. So you're at the top again, bring the wire around. Bring the wire around your top and then start to go around the sides again. I'll fit behind the other wire that's going round again. See, we're up there, we're forming a pattern. So we hold there and go round again. So go round again. And you can nestle. And then you can put the wire between the other beads. Kind of bring it together like that. Keep holding it. And we're at the top again. See, we're forming a pattern. So we're going to go round again. We've gone round again, you can see that. Then go around the bead, have the wire between the other wire, go round again. You're at the top. Bring it around again. Then put the wire between the others and tightly bring it around. And next to the other like that. Right, go behind again. Kind of running out of wire a little bit. Repeat the procedure of laying this wire between the others. And then at the top again and go round. So we're at the top again. I think this will be the last. So now that we're at the top, just bend it round, just turn it around the top a little bit. About twice. And also, if these at the side, these can get a bit raveled up, but sometimes I pick up my chain nose pliers and just kind of give it a little pinch, if you want. See if you can see. So it should look like this. Right, we're going to have a bit sticking out, so we don't need this bit sticking out. So pick up your flush cutters. Hold the back. Put your thumb, hold here, because this is going to, might fly. And then you're using the back of the flush cutters. We're going to hold this bit. And then we're going to cut it. We don't need that now. So we're going to have a sharp bit here, which we don't want. So pick up your chain nose pliers and give it a squeeze, pinch it in. So you've got your herringbone wire wrap, and if you're going to make it into earrings, then you'll need 2 of these earring hooks, and then open it like that and slide the earring on. Then pick up your chain nose pliers and then just close it. Keep the hoop out, the ball out the way, and just close it and bring it together. So you've got your earrings. To make the necklace, you're just gonna cut it. Using the length of your choice, you'll just cut up your flush cutters, use the back, and just cut it like that. Pendant and your jump ring. Now open up your jump ring by holding it between your chain nose pliers and your flat nose pliers, and then just open it across like that. Pick up your pendant. Slide it onto your pendant, pick up your chain, slide it onto your chain, then simply close it. So it's on your, so there it is, it's on your necklace. And then go to the other side, pick up your larger jump ring. And open it the same way. Across. Like that. Across like that. And then pick up one side of your chain and thread it on. And thread it on like that. Close it. See, you're closing it. Close it the same way. Like that. And then pick up the other smaller jump ring. open it the same way, going across like that. Thread on your lobster clasp, and then go to the other side of your new necklace, and then thread it on the same way. Oh, it's gone on the same time. Sometimes I just use my finger and close it. And close it like that. Yeah, that's, you see? So you have your necklace. And then you have your earrings as well. So if you've got any questions or any comments, please pop them down below. If you like the video, please press the like button, which is the thumbs up. And if you are going to subscribe, please press the notification button so YouTube lets you know when I put another video on. And also, I have an Etsy shop if you want to have a look at that, and I'll put my social medias down so you can have a look at what I've posted next. And I'll link down some other fun wire wrapping jewellery that you can make.